All right, so this is a potato that's been growing underneath my sink for quite some time, or I don't know, some kind of counter, right? Pretty good stuff in here. It's a little shriveled, not bad, not bad, but if you plant these things in the ground, they actually end up being really, really pretty. So here's a potato plant. Here's a potato plant. Right? These guys, as they start growing, they're just really pretty. Like, look at that cute little guy. So that's what he looks like when he first pops up. So what you do is you get your potato, you find a good spot for it. Deer will eat the tops, but it's not their favorite, so they should be good for quite some time. But I just dug this little spot right here. We'll just tuck them in right there. Got them kind of sideways. We'll just bury all these roots right here. If you're actually wanting to grow potatoes, this is not the best option to get like a big potato yield. However, just doing that, we'll end up with a really pretty little potato bush right here in a couple of weeks. So enjoy your spuds. We'll talk soon.